What's up guys, today we are going to do an unboxing of the new iPhone 16. This is it Arctic White or what is it? I think it's just white. Yeah, it's just white. This is 128 gigabytes. I've made the cuts already here because they're quite annoying. It's a 6.1 inch screen. Comes in this box. Here is the phone itself. It's frosted glass with the Apple logo in the middle here. Two cameras. Here is the screen protector. Let's put that over there. It comes with a braided cable. Hang on, just 1 second. It comes with a braided cable and it's USB-C. No more lightning cable and no more breaking of these cables. Braided is much better. And that's it. That's what you have in the box. How long is this? It's about 1 meter long. And this is the phone itself. Need to charge this up. The volume up and down, and it's the button now instead of the slider. Here you have the SIM tray. It's all frosted around, and there you have the power button and the action thing that they have as well. Feels very nice, a little bit slippery, but no fingerprints on the back here. Looks very nice. It's just a first look. Going to do a full review on it. Check it out in future videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section down below. Remember to join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.